Boom! And welcome back to Baby and Grace Kitchen. Today we'll be making macaroni in a mug. So don't forget to subscribe to post notification and give the video a big thumbs up. And the life hack of the day is that if you want to make your phone more louder, just put it in a glass. So let's start the video. For this macaroni and cheese in a mug, you'll need milk, a cup of water, macaroni, a mug, and cheese. Shredded cheese to be in fact. So now you put the macaroni in the mug. Make sure I just put it in. Not really grateful, but we will be back. Now you take the cup of water and you pour in the mug. Make sure the water is over the macaroni. True. So now you just want to go to the microwave and microwave it for 2 minutes. The milk in. Thank you for opening it. So, like somewhere just the same above them, the water. And then you'd want to microwave for another 2 minutes. No shortcuts. No shortcuts. Please, it will make it a disaster. Yes.
Action.
So now you'd want to add some shredded cheese in. Make it a lot, you know. Yeah. Don't be afraid, it won't hurt you. And then all you want to do while it's still hot, and don't put it in the microwave again, and you just mix it. Don't forget to subscribe to post notification and give this video a big thumbs up. Let's go. Love you guys. Stay home, stay safe.